It's an up-to-the-minute piece of news as XRP recently crossed over its resistance point to retest the $1 mark for the first time in months. Just as we have a bullish outlook projected by XRP's comprehensive market overview, we could see a few tops on the lower timeframes. Nonetheless, we would be more worrisome if that trend were to be noticed on the higher timeframes. As a show of its bullish momentum, it is most likely that XRP's price will consolidate above our support level at 90 cents. If the bulls can maintain such a trend to reduce above the 61.8 Fibonacci level, only then could XRP have another go at taking out the $1 resistance level. By probability, we could succeed in that, given several sell orders have already been registered at this point, which means the bears are primarily out of the market. In other news, Janet Yellen, the U.S. Treasury Secretary and lawmaker, has recently been accused of corruption related to the acceptance of speaking fees from banks. This was revealed just recently following an earnings limited disclosure filed by the Secretary. The report showed that Secretary Janet Yellen had received compensations, or what she terms as speaking fees, from different banks throughout the pandemic era. The Citadel Hedge Fund and Citibank make the most of these numbers, ranging to around $7.2 million. Perhaps while we were all busy looking for ways to get out of the house arrest brought upon us by the COVID lockdown, Madam Secretary was busy getting her hands filled, literally and otherwise. Could XRP go as high up as 300% before the end of the year? Well, let's find out. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. The price of XRP is going to rally by 300% for the following reasons. XRP's price is looking to be trading amid an ascending parallel channel, as described in the most recent video. This new trend indicates an explosive momentum to the upside, considering that a breakout of the 90 cents resistance zone from yesterday's upsurge to the $1 mark has invalidated a bearish outlook, potentially triggering an incredible prospective move to the upside. Notably, the ongoing lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC has garnered the payment processing platform and its native asset XRP more airtime than any other cryptocurrency in 2021. Termed the cryptocurrency trial of the century, this trial has inadvertently helped the blockchain startup, as it has drawn the attention of university professors, financial experts, media personalities, lawmakers, attorneys, and a new army of crypto investors known as the XRP Army. According to one of the attorneys doing pro bono work for Ripple and XRP, the said request was filed in the Southern District Court of New York, where the plaintiff has required that the court, presided by Judge Sarah Nedburn, should grant them rights to further inquire into Ripple's employee Slack communication, since the US-based digital payment settlement firm had failed to provide all of the data as earlier appropriately requested. Following this most recent update in this case, what's even more surprising is that the commission had filed yet another motion against Ripple, requesting the production of relevant communication between Ripple employees, specifically on Slack, as has been asked before now. Since the SEC claims that Ripple had always known that its Slack messages contained highly relevant communications that the SEC sought. So why has it taken the SEC until recently to refile another motion requesting this data, months after the initial filing in January? Although this lawsuit-ridden cryptocurrency has experienced a little bit of a dump since the start of the ongoing litigation, however, from a technical point of view, XRP has seen more wins than any digital asset over 2021. Right now, XRP appears to be traversing a bullish pattern on a higher time frame, as it just recently bounced off a solid support level. As such, the price of this digital asset would most likely quadruple its current market value if this trend continues in the days to come. Taking a close look at the general crypto market structure, we have Bitcoin flipping over its 200-day simple moving average, which is an incredibly bullish signal. On that note, we expect this rally to continue upwards, with a bit of retracement and consolidations, which are pretty customary. The Tuesday, July 20th pump that extended to Sunday, August 8th was the initial boost that has reactivated the train in the entire crypto world, especially the XRP engines, as seen in the chart. While Bitcoin's price was rallying by about 59% during the same time frame, XRP's price was registering newer highs of almost 63%, which is yet another indication that investing in these altcoins is way more profitable than investing in more established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, as is seen in the trends with Ethereum and other altcoins. Therefore, for every price extension or consolidation experienced by Bitcoin, there would be an even higher upsurge for other cryptocurrencies. In the past two periods, XRP's price reached the parallel channel's upper limit, which led to a massive sell-off. This is the case for a bounce off the lower trend line, as we can see in the chart showing a bounce off the ascending triangle zone, just as also encountered a few weeks ago. Irrespective of the lawsuit's outcome, the momentum shown by XRP's price on several months indicates quite a bullish tone. Nonetheless, this price pump will not be a pushover, as it's expected to encounter headwinds at 3 significant points since XRP has already cleared the first barrier at a little above the 70-cent zone, just as it approaches the second resistance point of $1.09. At this juncture, as most experts had advised, the critical level to watch here is closing candles just above the 90 cents resistance threshold, and so far so good. XRP's price has rallied past 75% from the bounce off the 70 cents margin and closing rapidly on the channel's midpoint. Should Bitcoin keep up with its current momentum, the crypto remittance token, XRP, is bound to rally by nearly 300%, reaching for the upper limit and coinciding with its most significant all-time gains of more than $3 back in 2018. But right now, producing a solid candlestick right above the $1.09 margin will help this coin overcome the channel's midpoint and open a newer path for future gains. The last target before XRP hits the $2 mark and then transcends towards its all-time high of 2018 is set at $1.04, the price value XRP currently trades. From Tuesday, November 24th, 2020 to this very moment, XRP has set for itself 3 higher highs and 2 higher lows. And of that trend pattern, the drawing trend lines connecting these points reveal a massive ascending parallel channel. In conclusion, just as Ripple has continued to flip the PR nightmare entailed by the lawsuit to leverage support from the crypto enthusiasts and corporations from around the globe, especially those from the Eastern continent, so also has XRP continued to flip its resistance into support. And this lawsuit entails a more positive outcome, such as a win for Ripple. We could easily see this digital asset surpassing its $3.37 most significant all-time gains by a whopping 300% price surge. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.